This video will run through the basics of the Reports tab. More specifically, we will explain how to read a report. We will demonstrate this by looking at the report that we executed earlier in the report execution video. To start working with reports, click on its heading in the top panel. Once you have executed the report, the results will be shown in two sections. Below the report templates header is the report results section. This displays a list of the report contents such as tables, charts, and statistics. Click on a heading in the list to display the content in the second section below the map. At the top of the table section are 4 arrow buttons. This is the first page button, next is the previous page button, then the next page button, and finally the last page button. You can also enter a page number manually here. To adjust the number of rows per page, select an option from the drop-down list. The toolbar also contains the following icons. Click this icon to go to messages. This is useful for analysing data received from a unit. Click this icon to export to PDF, or this one to export to Excel. Click this icon to export to a file, for example, HTML or CSV. Click here to print a report directly from this page and click Clear to remove the current report and report results section from the screen. The Map Report view displays the report on one half of the panel and the map on the other half. Dual Report View allows you to see two different tables from the report at the same time. To do this, click on the Dual Report View button. The second table appears and replaces the map here. Select Statistics from the report results list. Statistics tables always have two columns, the label on the left and the information on the right. Now we will look at the parking timetable from the report that we created and executed earlier. Select Parkings from the report result list. You will notice the top section displays different groupings, for example, Unit, Date, and Detailization. These are different branches of the report tree. Click on any of these headings to expand all of the tree related to that branch. Alternatively, you can click on the plus symbol next to an individual row. Tables have a simple format. Labels are at the top and information is shown below. The names of the columns should look familiar from the report creation video earlier, such as Parking Start, Parking End, and Park Time. You will remember that we moved the column label Location from the bottom to the top of the list. This effectively moved it from the left to the right column shown. Also shown are the groupings that we added, including Unit, Date, Detailization, and row numbering. Select Unit as a grouping to detail parking for individual units. Deselect the branch to summarize parking for all units. Select Date as a grouping to detail individual parking time. Deselect the branch to summarize parking for the whole time interval. Detailization splits the tree even further into individual parking events. Row numbering is useful as it helps to make sense of the different rows. Every time a branch is expanded, it creates a 0.1 and counts the additional expanded rows of data. Finally, let's look at the map outputs we generated in the report creation video earlier. You will remember that we selected parking meters and trip routes. The map shows the results of selecting those checkboxes. Now you will be able to read and interpret a report. You should feel confident navigating the Reports tab. Check out our knowledge base at any time if you would like to learn more.